Hi there. Here we have a 2015 Swampy style converted Transporter, coming to part exchange from a California that we sold. Bodywork on this is very nice. We've just given it a full service, which would include a cam belt, water pump and everything else. We've got the roof bars, the 240 hookup. You've got the cold water, fresh water tank and a wastewater tank. It's the full kitchen model with the sink, gas hob with the gas bottle. Wheels are very nice, good tyres. Bodywork on it's really good. Wind deflector there, I see. This is for your wastewater under the CamperKing sign. Got reverse camera. That's where your gas bottle goes in a proper metal container. Got your table in there, stows away there. Show you inside quickly, that rotating 2 seats. Show that for the people who know what they're looking for. We've got some under storage there as well, as well as you can access that cupboard from this side. On this side. I have photoed this with the bed down. That's the clamps for the rotating chairs. Got some additional storage that pulls up under that. The seat covers that will come on with it.
But we're back in the room. For Rush and Remy. We've been talking about this. You've shared your opinions.
We'll go to the fridge.
Do you
The freezer.
owe your matchmaker an invite to your wedding? Do you owe your matchmaker the reason you're even having a wedding? Do you owe them an invite to your wedding? Got a message here.
It's got the lino floor. So when the bed's down, you can still access these cupboards, not these ones. So it's a nice quality conversion. Got the lights up there, which you can turn off with just touching. Full mat sets. I've photoed this with it all turned around the other side. That's for your reverse camera. battling the weather and the darkness at the moment. It's done 87,267 miles. It does drive really well. Very smooth gears, smooth clutch. Drives nice, pulls well. It's got a full mat set. Okay, thank you for looking.